Today we're going to show you how to front post, back post, double crochet. If you haven't watched the individual videos on how to do both of these techniques, we suggest you pause this video and go have a look before we dive right in. So we skip our first stitch and move into the second double crochet, and we're going to go in through the front of our work from right to left, pick up that double crochet below, yarn over, pull it through and under, yarn over, pull it through the first two loops, yarn over, pull it through the remaining two loops like a normal double crochet. And now we're going to go in through the back. So yarn over, from behind we're going to go and collect that double crochet below, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the first two loops, and then pull it through the remaining two loops. And now it's time to go in through the front. So by doing an alternating front post, back post, double crochet, you're going to create a bit of a ribbing effect that you can use along the cuffs or the waistband of whatever you're crocheting. And it's a really handy technique to know.